Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, welcome back to the set, where today, bro, we are gonna talk about my top 3 sneakers that's on my radar for this holiday season of 2025. We all know 25 has been crazy, but this is my personal hit list. The pairs that I'll actually be going after and will absolutely have to have this season. Am I going to break them down and pay the resale price if I don't hit because I know the prices are gonna go through the roof? Probably, but probably not, because I'm a firm believer in not doing that. But these are ones that I absolutely have to have. Without further ado, man, you already know it. Let's get into it. All right, so coming in at number 3 for me is the collab king. We got Fragment, Travis Scott, and Air Jordan 1s. Well, lows, obviously. So this is gonna be a tough one. We had to start the list off with these because the release has been kind of crazy. So we don't know when it's coming out. After recording this video, they may come out today, but who knows? I'm talking about the Fragment X Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low in the Resale and military blue. Let's be real for a hot second. The term triple collaboration gets thrown around a lot, but when the names are Fragment, Travis Scott, and Jordan brand, you have to pay attention to that. We all know how all 3 of these hold a spot in sneakerhead lore. So what is it, right? For anyone who doesn't know, Fujiwara is basically the godfather of streetwear. His lightning bolt is a stamp of approval that means that you got instant clout when you have that Fragment logo. Then you bring in Mr. Travis Scott. In modern day sneaker world, nobody has more clout and more power in sneakers than Travis Scott. Even when he dropped his own Cactus Jack release with the reverse swoosh on it, it went absolutely crazy, and other collaborators have been chasing that ever since. Now this version for 2025 is legendary. The 2021 collab, it also brings back some of those key features. You got premium tumbled leather, the sail white, which is hit or miss for most people these days. It's drenched in that iconic military blue, which is Fragment's signature color. And of course, you got that reverse swoosh that also throws it into that pantheon of Travis Scott. Now, to say that these are going to be easy to get, they will not. This is a guaranteed hit for anybody. The original Fragment Travis Scott Jordans are considered to be grails at this point. This release, confirmed for November, kicked things off with a Japan first debut at a special hijacked Tokyo Bay takeover event, which you had to be somebody to be there to get these. So yeah, it's not just a hype release, it is a super hype release, and me for one have been watching closely to see what raffles they have so I can enter to see if I can actually get them. Will I pay the resale ticket for them? Yet to be determined, but these are number 3 on my radar. Okay, next up at number 2, and it's definitely worthy of having that spot as number 2, we have one of the tastemakers in the sneaker culture. The people who can value storytelling and luxury over everything else. This is none other than Ma Maniére. And we all know how Ma Maniére and Jordan brand does when they do a collab. For the most part, they have hit on every one, but this one in the Jordan 4 dark Mocha colorway is giving me Travis Scott vibes. It's definitely giving me Travis Scott vibes with that dark Mocha, but the level of craftsmanship that Maniére puts into it when they throw their name on something, you know it's gonna be special. James Whitner and his team have, for all intents and purposes, mastered luxury when it comes to a Jordan brand sneaker. Their collabs feel less like sneakers and more like high-end fashion pieces when it comes to their previous model. Now for this holiday season, we are getting the dark mocha colorway that might just be, for me, their best work yet. And that's saying a lot when we talk about Maniére. This shoe is all about texture and mood. It leans heavily into the earthy dark brown tones, giving that mocha suede, the premium accents on the support wings and the heel tab. But bro, it's the details that set it apart. That quilted satin liner in a muted violet ore colorway, signature class from Maniére. It's a shoe that people really, they will appreciate what went behind the shoe, again, because it's Maniére, and whenever you see that, it screams luxury, but not for the luxury price tag. All the other previous Maniére collabs have all kind of become grails, maybe 2 or 3 that miss, but this one is scheduled to release in December. Matter of fact, December 12th. So for me, this is one that I will be going after hot and heavy because it's Maniére, the storytelling behind it, the incredible lasting value, and the earth tones with that mocha brown. Bro, you can rock anything with that. So that's my number 2. And finally, number 1 must-have sneaker of holiday 2025. It's not a new collab, but it's the returning champion that sends the sneaker world into a frenzy every time it appears. And I'm talking about that Air Jordan 11 Gammas. Bro, a moment of silence. Not really. These are a must cop. Now, for over a decade, the annual Air Jordan 11 holiday release has been one of the most important events in sneaker culture on everybody's sneaker calendar, especially mine. Now, the Air Jordan 11 itself is arguably, well, ain't arguably, it's Tinker Hatfield's masterpiece. That ballistic mesh upper, the iconic patent leather, which we all know and love, the carbon fiber mud plate, bro. It was a shoe that was to be reckoned with. Michael Jordan himself called it his favorite design. The Gamma colorway takes that legendary silhouette and gives it a modern, futuristic edge, which we all know how it does when the Gamma released. Now, the 2025 retro is expected to be a faithful recreation of the 2013 original, which is great. This release was a part of the massive 2025 push for Jordan 11s, which also included other, I want to say 7 other colorways, but the Gamma is the main event this year. This shoe is a number 1 must-have for the simple reason that is a modern classic, bro, making it a highly anticipated sneaker for 2025. Everybody didn't get the 2013 drop, but this December 13th, the Air Jordan Gamma 11 is coming back and you have your opportunity to get it. Now, will it be released in mass numbers as the holiday Jordan 11s are? Probably. Will it still be hard to get them? Probably. But this year again, we have like 7 other silhouettes that came out in the Jordan 11s, and maybe that kind of diluted the market. Who knows? But for me, that's my absolute number 1 must-have. So that's my list. My top 3 sneakers for holiday 2025. Now, you've gotten that triple threat hype machine from Fragment, Travis Scott. Then you got the masterclass in luxury from Maniére. And then you have that modern classic, the Air Jordan Gamma 11s. Each one of these is set to completely dominate the sneaker market in its own way this holiday season. But that's just my take on it. I want to know what you think. Which of these 3 are you going to try to get? Probably all of them. If you know what I'm saying, you probably won't get all 3 of these. But I want to know what's on your radar. Drop me a comment down below giving me your top 3 for 2025 and let me know whether my list was trash or you absolutely agree with it. If you enjoyed this video, man, please hit that like and subscribe button, bro. Your boy been trying to get out of YouTube purgatory for a long time, bro. We was doing fine until my account got compromised, and now YouTube don't see your boy or don't put your boy in the algorithm. So hit that like and subscribe. Comment down below. What's your top 3? How would you rank my top 3? Would you shuffle it? Let's get the conversation going, man. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important the rest of my day, as you should as well. Boy, this holiday season gonna be tough, bro. And there's some honorable mentions in there too that didn't make the top 3, because we got the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's that's coming out, and yeah, it's gonna be a tough one, man. I wish y'all luck and wish me luck, because it ain't looking good for the Travis guys, but we're gonna try anyway. So see you guys in the next one, man. Thanks for watching. Peace.